Hello everybody, my name is Bill. This is the channel SixRounds Studio, and today I have two things to talk about. The first is Brad's 44 carbine. If you stay around till the end, I want to show you the beauty shots, the close-up, the reveal of this thing. But you have to stay to the end of that because I want to talk a little bit about the channel and its direction over the summer. And this is for all of my regular viewers, you guys who come back week after week. You help make the channel, you help make it grow, and I appreciate all of you for that. I am going to cut back on the number of videos that I make over the summer. Summer in New Hampshire is a real short period of time. You know, we get 4 or 5, maybe if we're lucky, 6 months of outdoor time where we can do things. And I had to do this last year as well. I've got to paint my house. Last year we put new roofs on the house. This year I have to paint my house. I've got a few other outdoor projects that need to be done, and I need to have the time uninterrupted to get those things done. I know if you're a homeowner out there, you understand all of that. So I am going to back off on the number of videos that I make rather than do one video a week, maybe one a month, maybe 2 a month, depending on how things work out. Now, that doesn't mean I'm going to stop making videos because I've got 2 other channels that I'm running. And that's important to understand as well, because I have Rust to Resurrection, which is the channel where I work on my old Jeeps and my old cars. And again, it's kind of a summer thing because the only time I can really do those things with the cars outside is during the summertime. And I have a whole bunch of projects over there on that channel for the summer as well. And I also have the new channel Canvas and Cords, where I do a lot of things that are what this channel SixRounds Studio used to do, doing art and craftsmanship that isn't directly related to the firearms. I am in the process of working on 4 guitars and a mandolin over there, so I need to spend more time doing that. And the other thing to remember, guys, I am retired. I don't work 9-hour days anymore. I do this for fun and for pleasure and to share with all of you. So I want to spend more time working, finishing those guitar projects. You're welcome to come over. If you enjoy the stuff that I do, you're more than welcome to go over to Rust to Resurrection and Canvas and Cords, and I'll be there pretty much on and off for the rest of the summer as well. I'm not sure that I can sustain the upload schedule over there either, because again, I got all this outside work to do. But all of that is going to be at a reduced upload frequency. And again, I've got things around the house that I absolutely need to get done to work on. And YouTube was supposed to be a hobby, not a job for me. Even though I love you guys, I love your participation, I love you being here, I do have to back off a little bit. I hope you guys understand. I hope you stick around. I hope you subscribe. I hope you set up the notices so even though the frequency is less, that you're still knowing when I upload. Guys, I really appreciate you for being here and for sharing all of this with me. Stick around. I am going to show you Brad's 44 carbine, the final reveal. And I will see you guys in the next video coming up. Sometime along the way. Like I said, I'm not quitting. I just need to reduce the schedule. Guys, I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.